Good morning mga viewers. Ito ang honey na nabili sa Costco. Ngayon, isang kutsara lang yan. Saka isang kutsarang lemon, yung pipiga nito katas. Bali, gamot pagka biglang nawalan kayo ng boses. Yan. Paghahaluin nyo isang kutsara nito sa katas ng lemon, saka isang kutsarang honey. Gamot sa pag biglang nawala ang boses. It will heal when you lose your voice. So, 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon mixed thoroughly with 1 tablespoon of honey. Not all honey heals when you lose your voice. It has to be honey, wildflower honey. You can probably try some other honey, but if it is not effective, so you really have to use this. Or there is also honey available in Popeyes. They're just giving away. It's in a sachet. Make sure you follow instruction. 1 tablespoon of honey mixed with 1 tablespoon of lemon, and that's it. If it didn't work with you, you need to see a doctor to prescribe a antibiotic. There is a antibiotic I'll show you on my upcoming videos that is very effective. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. If you are my new subscribers, make sure to click the free subscribe button located on my videos on the bottom left side.